Well, hello everybody. Thank you for tuning in to this next video. Now in this next video, I'm just going to begin the process of opening up all the bags and clipping off a lot of the pieces and explain to you what I'm going to do for each piece. So let's go ahead and start. So I think the first bag that I want to open, of course, is the saucer section, the most prolific view on this. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you what I'm going to do when it comes to how I'm going to set this up for the build. Now, obviously, again, this molding is not the best, and when you do clip these off, what's going to happen is you're probably going to get some of this saucer clipped off as well. You might. But my plan here is when I use these clippers, I use the straight edge side, as opposed to doing it this way, because you'll clip into the saucer. So you use the straight edge side and clip as much as you can away from the saucer area. So I'm going to do one side here, and I'm going to do the other side here. And there you go. So now you have something to shave off. And I'm going to do the same for each one of these, okay? So as you can see, I'm going to need to do some sanding here and smoothing out. So let's go ahead and clip all these off. All right, some other pieces here that can be shaved off. Some flange on the side here that can be shaved off or clipped off. Again, nothing that cannot be fixed with some putty and shaving. So we'll just continue that. All right, let's go here. All right, so the plan on the saucer section here, as you can see, as I told you last time, the bridge, the BC deck, the bridge, it's not accurate. So the plan is to cut this out in the mold of, I ordered the aftermarket piece that hasn't come in. So the plan is to cut this out all around using the aftermarket piece I'm going to receive as a marker. So I'm going to mark the inside, and I'll show it to you in another video. As I'm going to mark the inside using the piece I get as a guide, and then I'm going to just cut this out. I'll drill a few holes and then use a cutting piece to pop this out. And then on the underside here, these dimples, some people leave them, I don't. So I'm going to fill these in with putty, and then I'm going to sand them down. And I'm not going to worry about sanding the sides of it down, because my plan here is to sand all the ridged, the raised lines here. And the reason I'm going to sand these down is because I'm going to replace these lines with more accurate lines around the inner saucer. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The Paragraphics package that I purchased comes with a guide to help you with those rings. But this little piece right here, this is your outline. So what you're going to do with this, you're going to align those two little holes with the two holes on the lower section here, and then tape it down. And then those lines are the exact angle that you need to measure, where your windows are going to go. And they're also going to help you with the angle. So this comes with a guide that shows you, how far away from the center each line has to be at the bottom. So you're going to use this guide to, with a compass, I'll stick the compass right here in the middle, and then I'll just carve around and then finish it off with a knife, with a hobby knife. So we'll move forward in the next video.